I'm sure you're probably wondering about that small rattle. It's actually the passenger chair. VW is synonymous for those recliners because you keep winding them up and down, so they do tend to get loose at some point. So that's something you just have to tighten up. So that rattle is literally just coming from the passenger chair. Yo, one people you need to watch out for here in Cape Town, Mr. D. Or you'll have a lawsuit on your ass, for sure. In Cape Town, the Mr. D guys, they drive even on the fast lane. Hey, there's this weird system on the freeway. You can just choose a lane and choose a speed. You can stop and have a picnic if you want to on the freeway. It's cool. It's not against the law. So even these 100cc scooters screaming on the N2 and N1 freeway. So before I end this video, I think that one thing you guys need to make sure when you buying a car is like test drive it. Stop buying cars online and just buying cars based off looks. All cars look good when they're stationary. Yabo. Again, you need to drive a mod, and don't be afraid to like tell them put your foot flat. You know, drive on the freeway. You get what I'm saying? Just take it on a lengthy cruise, so you'll be able to feel and hear for all those little things, creaks, brake wear, yabo, all that stuff. It's stuff you can only be able to know if you've driven the car, and you can't really tell when you drive it on a short distance because you're still excited, yabo. You're excited because you're test driving a car. You're worried that you don't wanna about crash it and all that stuff. So just tell the salesman or the person who's selling the car that we need to take the car on a test drive. And the test drive is not only to know if the car can go forward, it's to also listen to every single thing. Listen to the car, listen to the squeaks, ask questions. Why is that squeaking? If they don't know, then you wouldn't know either. So that's obviously a red flag. That means you need to get it checked out. However, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't buy the car. It's just knowledge. I love selling cars based off knowledge. I let people know that this car does not have an engine. This car only has 3 wheels. You get what I'm saying? So that a person who buys it budgets for those type of things, and they know what they're getting themselves into. But anyway, stay slick, dream it, drive it. Sharp.